And we're going to be talking about page 225, which is your classwork today. So we're going to go through the problems a little bit together so that you can feel comfortable doing the problems. Okay, so here's the first one. It says a gallon of milk cost 82 cents in 1960. In 2015, it costs 3 cents more than 4 times the cost in 1960. How much did a gallon of milk cost in 2015? Let's talk about what we know. So in 1960, it cost 82 cents. In 2015, it costs 3 cents more than 4 times this amount. Okay, so that means we can set up an equation here. I can set up what 4 times of this would be. That's what I'm going to do first. And then I can add my 3 cents, and that will give me the answer. My next one, a secretary earns $10.75 each hour. He works 8 hours each day, 5 days each week. How much money does he earn in 1 week? So writing out what we know he makes $10.75 in 1 hour. He works 8 hours each day, 5 days each week. So one way to do this is to figure out how many dollars he makes in 1 day and then multiply it by the amount of days in a week. Or you can figure out how many hours he works each week and then multiply that by the dollars per hour. Okay, so if you're going to do that second strategy, then you would do 8 times 5 equals 40 hours. He works 40 hours per week. So if he makes $10.75 in 1 hour, then how much money does he make in 40 hours? Remembering to make sure you're placing your decimal point correctly at the end of the problem. You can also estimate at the beginning. You could estimate 10 times 40 equals approximately 400. So at the end of your multiplication, you should have a number that is close to 400. This next one says, you download 8 songs for $1.29 each and 1 song for 99 cents. How much do you pay for all of the songs? So for the first songs, you have 8 times $1.29 to give you the amount that you spent on those first 8 songs. And then you will need to add that to the 99 cents for that last song that you purchased. So whatever this is, you're going to add that to 99 cents to get the total cost. Your friend buys a snack for $2.75 and a book that costs 5 times as much as the snack. So already you should be thinking about $2.75 times 5 to get the cost of the book. He also buys a poster that costs $3.50 less than the book. So we're going to figure out the book cost, and then we can figure out the poster cost from that. Okay, so in order to find the cost of the book, since it says that the book costs 5 times as much, you can figure it out this way, and then the poster costs $3.50 less. So whatever we get here, we'll be subtracting $3.50 to get the cost of the poster. A pair of shoes costs $35. Newton has a coupon to pay 0.8 or 8/10 of the price. Descartes has a $10 off coupon. Who will pay more for the shoes? So first of all, we need to think about what 8/10 of means and then think about what $10 off means. Okay, the first coupon was 8/10 of. That simply means you're multiplying by 8/10. $10 off simply means you subtract 10. So you're going to do both of these and see which one is less. 2 friends eat at a restaurant for $34. They calculate the tip by multiplying $34 by 0.18. So what this means actually is that they are doing an 18% tip. How much do they pay for the meal, including the tip? Okay, so it says that they're finding the amount of the tip by multiplying 34 by 0.18. So that will be your first step. You'll find 0.18 of 34, 18% of 34, and find that. Then after that, it says, what is the cost of the entire meal? So you'll have the tip here. This will be your tip. But you don't just pay the tip, you also have to pay the $34 for the entire meal. So whatever you get as your tip, you're going to have to add it to $34 to get the total cost.